Let's check out using envelopes inside of mail merge. We could go ahead and use a data document, and the different rows in the data document, we take that information and use it on different envelopes that we would want to print off, and then match those up with some form letters, fold up the form letters, put them in the envelopes, and send them off to the post office. Basically, the mail merge using envelopes is just like form letters, except you're using a smaller document, a smaller form letter, the size of an envelope essentially. First thing we're going to want to do is come out to mailings and choose select recipients and then find the list. I'm going to say use an existing list, and once I see the folder that has my list, I'll use the Excel contact sheet. I'll go ahead and select that file, click on open. I'll make sure it has the table I'm looking for. First row contains the column headers. Click OK, and we are ready to go. I have my merge fields here. Now, before, when we started the mail merge, we used letters, but this time we're going to use envelopes. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose the standard business envelope, which is a size 10. The font, just keep those, and I'll come out and just click on OK. And it goes ahead and drops in my name and address that I have inside of my properties for my Word program, which is just my address. And then down here I have a place for the address block, and I'll just click inside there, come up and choose address block, and choose the format that I'd like, kind of like the format we used before. I'll click OK, and it drops in that address block. And then from here I'll just come out. Oh, if I wanted to, I could click inside this guy right on the border of this blue dotted line. I could move this around if I want to. Maybe move it up a little more centered on the envelope. I'll come up and choose under the Mailings tab, I'll choose Finish and Merge. I'll choose Edit Individual Documents. I'll choose All, and I can see my envelopes here. And if I move from envelope to envelope, I can see it's just pulled the rows of information off of the recipients list, and it just places inside here. And I could go ahead and stuff envelopes inside of the hopper on my printer and print these off. And as long as they're sorted in the same order as the form letters, I can just take the first envelope with the first form letter, match them together, and mail those off.